At T-Carta, we frequently use GlobalMapper software to visualize, analyze, and modify satellite-derived bathymetry that we produce in-house. In this example, we're looking at 10-meter SDB produced from Sentinel-2 over the Abaco Islands in the Bahamas. In the control center on the left side of the window, I have both the depth geotiff as well as the source RGB composite loaded. We're going to zoom in for a closer look, and I'll demonstrate a few of the tools that we commonly use when examining these data. On screen, I have the source RGB composite loaded. Now I'm going to toggle on the elevation surface that we've produced. GlobalMapper provides a variety of different elevation shaders by default. I'm going to change the shader now to a custom one that I've built for displaying shallow water bathymetry. One common tool that is useful in analyzing elevation data in GlobalMapper is the Create Contours tool. I'm going to generate contours at 50 centimeter intervals across the depth range of the loaded surface. For this example, I'm only going to generate contours for the current extent shown on the screen. Once contours have been generated, you can easily modify the visual style of the ISO baths depending on your personal preference. The Path Profile tool is another useful feature for examining elevation data in GlobalMapper. By defining a start and end point, the user can obtain additional information about the surface in the form of a 2D profile. This function is useful when assessing best paths of approach or for learning more about the nature of the morphology in the area of question. One more useful feature for visualizing satellite-derived bathymetry surfaces is the Show 3D View tool. The data on screen is loaded into a new pop-up window, and the user is able to examine the surface in a 3D environment. Parameters such as vertical exaggeration and field of view can be modified as needed, allowing for insightful 3D visualization.